Hey folks, Jason Wallingford here with Trophy Properties and Auction. Hey, check out this short video of this 42-acre tract of land that we're going to be selling at internet-only auction. The bidding on this property will end Wednesday, July 22nd at 10 a.m. Complete details can be found at trophypa.com. You can also reach out to the listing agent, Jason Kneib, at 636-295-7047. Again, Jason Kneib's number is 636-295-7047. Thanks a lot.